Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pink hot chocolate. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of milk, sprinkles, whipped cream, mini marshmallows. I have neon pink gel food coloring, white baking chips, and also 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To a pot over medium heat, you want to add your milk. And we're just going to let our milk get to warm. You don't want it boiling. Once your milk is warm, you want to go ahead and add in your white baking chips. And you're going to mix until they're all melted. You can turn your heat off. Once melted, you want to add in your tablespoon of vanilla extract. You want to mix that together. Now you can add in your food coloring. You can add in as much as you want to get your desired pink. Okay guys, now your hot chocolate is ready to pour into your cups. Okay guys, once you've poured your hot chocolate into your cup, you can add some marshmallows to it. And on top of that, you can put your whipped cream. Now to your whipped cream, you can add some sprinkles on top. And there you have it. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our pink hot chocolate. Perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.